Hello, welcome back to the Old Phone channel. Losing iPhone contacts is a big nightmare for all iPhone users. This happens for many reasons and the most common one is accidental deletion. Is there any way to retrieve deleted contacts? Of course yes. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find and recover deleted contacts on iPhone. Now, let's dive in. Way 1. Use iTunes Backup. The precondition of this method is that you have a previous backup, but you can't view the contact information in the previous backup, so you may try your luck with this method. After running iTunes, connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Now select your device icon, and then click a Restore Backup option in Backups section of Summary tab. Choose the backup you want to restore. Once selecting the file, let iTunes restore your device. After restoring, all your data will be overwritten by the backup. Here you need to complete some settings according to the prompts. Okay, now you can see that your contacts have come back. Note that you can only restore contacts that are already in the backup. Your recent contacts may not exist here. If you don't back up your contacts in time, don't worry. Here is another way to help you. Way 2. Use iOS Data Recovery. Alt Phone iOS Data Recovery tool could recover data from iOS device with or without backup. More than 35 file types including contacts, videos, WhatsApp can be recovered. You can download the software in the description. Now, let me show you how to use it. Launch Alt Phone iOS Data Recovery on your computer, then connect your iPhone. Go back to Alt Phone iOS Data Recovery. On the home screen, select Recover Data from iOS devices. Select the data type you want to recover. We select the contacts here. Click Scan to proceed. After a successful scan, preview and select the contact you want. And then hit on the Recover to Device button. Well done! Finally, you can see the contact you just selected at the end of the contact list. Very easy and straightforward. Besides, Alt Phone iOS Data Recovery also could complete iOS data recovery from any scenarios. It's really great. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.